Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com. There's my phone number and website. So I have another Ameritron Al-80b in for repair. I'm going to change the SO239 connectors. It needs a new soft start relay. It is stuck closed. Swap out the gas discharge tubes. And I will ground the grid connections right to the chassis. Now it goes through the foil and then through the standoff, but I've seen where these nuts have loosened up, so it doesn't take long to do, and you never want a cruddy connection between the grid and the chassis. So I'm going to get that taken care of and go through the rest of it. I'll test it on all bands and get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to get to work and I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. So the old relay has been removed. It's a double-sided board. Super delicate. Can end up damaging the traces on the other side. If you decide to do this on your own and you mess the board up, please don't call me. Sorry, but I can't be the savior all the time. Would end up having to replace the board, and that's not cheap and ought to work. Most likely not going to want to pay. So please just let me do it. Here's the old relay. Cut it apart and carefully remove it. Here's the new relay. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. Then I'll do the SO239s and the rest. See. Okay, new relay has been installed. Soldered really well. I removed the two old SO239 connectors. Let's see. Installed two new Teflon ones. I also replaced the resistor, the 10 ohm, 10 watt. Here's the old one. So I'm gonna get back to work. See you guys soon. Okay, so I ran into an issue when I tried to test it. Problem is the phenolic shaft that's pressed onto the steel shaft on the air variable capacitor on the plate side sometimes spins. So I went to test it on 160 and I'm like, why is it like it was tuning up with the pointer like way down here, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, it's turning, maybe the set screws are just loose, tighten those, but no, it's spinning on the shaft sometimes. So I'm gonna have to pull this one out, pull the other one out. I'll put some epoxy on it, you know, between the spline and the shaft, and I'll probably even put a coupler over it just to, you know, make sure it doesn't ever loosen up again. So just pain. So I had to take the panel off to disconnect that connection in the front here. Pain, big pain. So hey, I'll be back. See you soon. So the amp is all done. I've got it on 20 meters. 1 kW slug. I'm going to tune it to 1 kW. Audio hello. Audio hello. Hello hello. Audio hello. Audio hello hello hello. Hello hello hello. Tit 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 tit. And she's working like she should. And I'll let it cool off and I'll take the cover off and show you everything I did. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with the Ameritron Al-80b. I'll show you everything I did again. So, new soft start relay, new soft start resistor, new SO239s, touched up on solder joints, tightened hardware, added these tabs. Holes are already there, so instead of going through the foil under the socket, through the standoffs to ground, now the grid connections go directly to the chassis. Fixed the shaft issue for the plate tune capacitor. Cleaned the band switch and the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Got a brand new Pentalabs 3500Z. This thing's good to go. I have an Ameritron Al-811H I worked on yesterday. It's all done, but it needs a parasitic board. I didn't see how bad it was till I took it out. like burnt underneath the board and melted right underneath the resistors, so I just swap that out. New one's on its way. Have an Al-80b on the other side of the bench waiting on parts, and a couple more amps and boxes, so keep them coming. If you need an amp repaired, give me a call. 203-892-4119. Website again is amprepairguy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. 73.